Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Gary here from My Digital Affiliate. Today we're going to talk about the all-in-one $25 digital business and promote it using my lead gen secrets. Now, as you know, the all-in-one $25 digital business has an immaculate affiliate system where you get 80% commissions for each person in the system. So the thing I've been saying is that it's the best system I ever seen. It's 80% recurring commission, meaning you make this every month. So what we're gonna do here is promote it using my lead gen secrets. So far we've gotten 2 sales, which means fully in profit now. There's no reason for me to be out the system or amp out the system for any reason. I only make money from this point on. So that's what we're gonna do here. All right, so first thing first, let's go to my lead gen. What we're gonna do, we're just gonna make an email ourselves here. Let's see, let's go with let's do one of these. Right here, let's go with this. All right, that's the subject. That's how you write emails, guys. It's that simple. You saw that? So easy. All right, so we just copy this. Just delete all of this. Perfect. Paste it in. I just get ready to get started. I'll put like interesting. Right, we're gonna put that. We wrote an email just that quick. That's all we gotta do. All right, so that's a pretty solid email. So what you guys would do would come to this page here and grab this all-in-one $25 business sale letter from here. That's y'all link once you sign into the system. But for me personally, what I need to do is just come over here and get my email. I got something to make it look a little cleaner. I bought a domain so I can make the page, the page name look a little cleaner. So that's what I use, because it just looks smoother than all of them numbers and letters. All right, so there we go. There, we're gonna bold that, and that's all it is to it, guys. That's literally it. Wrote an email just that fast. A brand new, interesting looking email, very short and very to the point, which I think are better in general. So we're gonna send this email here. Right, we're gonna send that email and we're gonna copy paste. We're gonna copy paste here. Is it finished sending? All right, it's finished sending. So we're gonna open a new tab and go to our next account real quick. Open a new tab. The reason we do this is because we can copy and paste. So let's go to our next account here. Log in, do everything we're supposed to do here. Pick that down. Cool. All right, so look. Copy, paste. You hear perfect timing here. Perfect timing, what it does is send an email around the time people check them. Right, so we're just gonna hit that there. We're done with that. See how quick that is, guys? It's so easy to do. All right, we sent it. All right, so we go to the next account. Just this quick. It's easy to do. It's so fast, so simple. You do this every morning. I've gotten 2 sales so far, guys, with this system, which is amazing because this is a high ticket offer. Really, it's $120 every month for each sale. So I'm making $240 so far. I'm making $240 a month with this. Uh-oh. Messed up right there. All right. Copy. Boom. We send an email. We're pretty much done, guys. That's how easy it is, man. And that's how easy it is to make money with this system. This is per month, guys. Per month income. It's so good. It's so good, you guys. It's so good. So, and people stay in. People tend to stay in the program. I have only had one person. If they leave within a day. But once they get in about 3 days in, but that's when you lose your chance to get a refund. Once you 3 days in, you feel like, I mean, you might as well stay in it. So guys, this is a very good offer, and you get your money within 2 weeks, not a month. It don't take a month to get your money. And it's a pretty good system, guys. I really like it. Get paid every 2 weeks, I believe. Maybe every week. It depends. But yeah, guys, that's all there is to it there. As you can see, we talk about the type of money you can make with this system. So go down to it real quick. Right here, you can turn one sale a week. One sale a week gonna turn into $74,000 a year. That's an insane amount of money for me, personally. Actually, that's a lot of money for me. Where I live, my income bracket, you know, I'm very low income based. I'm in a very cheap area. You know, my rent is somewhere around $400 to $500. I'm in a super rural area, so that's why $74,000 a year is a lot to me. Most rural areas are like that. You can't live off of that. You probably can't live off of that in New York, and that's probably your rent in New York. I seen somebody say her rent was $1,700 a week. I was like, what? That's disgusting. In New York, and I was like, that's crazy. It might have been like a hotel or something. I don't know. That's the only way I can see that makes sense. But anyway, yeah, guys, that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell so you can get these videos as soon as I put them out. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.